Hello everybody, this is Tony and I want to tell you a little bit about Jet's new product, their Xcelerator. This is perfect for your Silverado truck if you've got throttle by wire. So what this does is it's a handy little tool. You just piggyback it into your plug on your Xcelerator. No tools required for the installation, and you get a little handheld controller that's got a 5-foot long cable, but the controller has 4 different sport modes. You can bring it back to stock, as well as 2 different security modes. So let's go through them all here. So first of all, you got the semi-sport. So you set it to number 1, and it gives you a little bit quicker throttle response is what's happening. Number 2 is the sport mode. And each of these modes, you're gonna get just a little bit more performance out of them. Number 3 is the ultra sport, but it's number 4, that's track time, track mode. It's a great mode to run around in. Let's take a look at how the track mode works. So if you're on the throttle at just 10% on the throttle, no real difference. So once you get about 30% of the throttle, you're getting 50% of the opening. 50%, you get about 75%. So it's really going real quick. You don't even have to go all the way to the floor on your throttle anymore. So that's how the quick response works. So if you're coming on and off your throttle, like you're in a track situation, this is great because it really does help you control your vehicle even more. But what's really neat about the Jet Performance Xcelerator is its security modes as well. Here they have 2 different security modes. Number 5, when you set it, is for valet mode, and number 6 is for idle only. So this is really going to lock down your vehicle. No matter how far you mash down on the throttle, it's just idling. And number 5 is for when you take it to the valet. You know, you don't want the guy running around town in your truck. So here, no matter how much you mash down on the throttle pedal, it's only given about 30% power, or about 40 miles an hour is what's estimated. So it could always come back to stock mode, and let's do a little recap. So you got your Jet Performance Xcelerator, controller with a 5-foot cable, improved throttle response and eliminates any lag, and it's a simple installation. So check it out at jetchip.com.